Come what may, Make Me Better project, hiking came into play. Instead of just sitting around, I got outside to enjoy nature. When you hike, you build stronger muscles and bones, your better sense of balance. It improves and so heart healthy. Hiking overall, it's fun. I'm gonna make a wish.
Okay, look at Lisa. Lisa's climbing down. And Lisa's got a nice white clothes.
My next spot.
And she refused to take the rope. Oh, good. Now you're going to just hold on that rope. And Lisa's coming. Yeah, a little wiggly wiggly, a little slippery, but Lisa's doing it. Couple more steps.
Gotta find my
Kind of on the ground. Thank you. Ta-da! Lisa! Ditto.
Aloha hiking. Oh, we call it the Powerline hike, the 5th grade field trip hike. And it overlooks Holiday Bay where we stay. So it's just really fun to see it up high. We're almost at the bottom. Reset, recalibrate. Here we go. It feels so good. It's like exfoliation from my feet. Easy barefooted. Oh, that feels good. I'm glad I didn't get a manicure before this trip. The red dirt would mess it up. Here I go. Nice and dark and spooky. In the present moment, in the jungle, on a hike. It feels so good. It's so awesome. So I'm at the trailhead at the bottom of the hike. I'm just rinsing off my feet, my legs, and the river on this rock. All that red dirt. Look at that. Hiking is just a great way to tone your body, be around a great scenery, get some cardio in. Overall, great health. Balance. I love the balance part. And by protecting land along the rivers and streams, the greenways prevent soil erosion and filter runoff